In your learning way, sometimes you can't get so much confidence to practice your English, to speak English in every single day. And why it actually happens with everyone as a beginner when you start your journey, right? So, what's the solution behind this problem, and what's the main proper curriculum when you actually practice your English but you can't get motivation, you can't get confidence to speak more, to speak faster than you speak, to practice your English in every single day. Today in this video, I'm just going to share about the topic and how you actually practice your English in every single day, how you get confidence to speak English more and more. So don't worry about that. I am Tonmoy and I always make video improving English, personal development and sometimes financial advice. It's totally up to you. If you follow that, you will get immense outcome. But I would like to say you that after watching my video, please try to implement. Without implementing, you can't get nothing actually. So you actually know that without practicing, without implementing, there is no one thing is getting to you. So that's the main important thing in every human's life to get success. So don't worry about that. I'm here to help you and let's grow with. Seemingly, first is that we are always getting panic while starting anything. Like right now, you see my video description or video title that how you will get confidence while practicing your English, right? So, how you will actually get, how you will win this sector. Just take a short story and just take a real story to understand this concept. Right now, you are a native speaker in your country, right? So, when you basically speak your original country language with someone in front of your front camera, in front of your family members or anyone, I think it may be family members or it might be either your neighbor or your friend. So, what basically happen with your friends while speaking you in your original country language? You can't get any pain, you can't get any demotivation to speak with someone because you are always curious to speak in your country language and you are good at in this language because when you are child, so from this child you always speak in your country language and that's why it will be so much easy to you than when you practice your English. So it's a very common thing, but why it actually help you when you try to implement what actually I am saying in this today's video? Just think about that English as a your country language. I think native speaker, you always think that English and your country language it's not a different. Just think that it's a very easy and simple, and you are applying same technology, I think same chapter in your practice, in your speaking, in your conversation. Right now you see the result. I speak in English frankly. There is no any doubt to speak more, to create more sentence. But when you actually start your journey, you always get panic. You always get demotivation or anxiety because you always getting negatively. You always taking this project or this situation negatively, not extraordinarily. Phenomenally, I want to say you that in my experience, when also I start my journey, so I'm not a pro or big learner. I am also beginner, right? So don't get fear that, whoa, This village boy is speak in English, wow, frankly and extraordinary, boldly, I think boldly, like confidently, right? So there is no any time to think about that. You just need to be brave to speak in English, to get a confidence. And how it actually will come to you is because when you practice your English and when you speak in English in front of your mobile camera, in front of your mirror, what actually you have in your home, right? You just take a short mirror or mini mirror, and I know that in every home, in every house, has a mirror, and in every morning you just see your face with this mirror right? So you practice your English like that. What actually I'm doing in every single day, you know that in every morning I wake up, and after wake up I read a book in any type, like self discipline, like psychology of money, like improving English in it might be anything. And I always prefer you read about the book, like self discipline, like improving English, like what actually you want, where you want to go, what actually help you to go far away in your learning way, in your life. And in every human has a goal to set up. And when you practice your English like that, there is no any shortcut to speak English within 3 months or 6 months. No, someone say you that you would be English speaker within 6 months or 3 months, but it might be something, some human has a lucky thing to catch up this thing, but it not, I think it's nothing to happen with everyone. And that's why I say to you that practice your English in every single day. And when you practice, you actually get your confidence. It doesn't matter that what are you saying, how do you practice your English, how will you speak in English. It doesn't matter. Even no one watches, even no one listen your conversation. Just you listen and just you practice your English. That's the important thing. And you know that in every single day, I am also busy. I have also lots of tasks. But after that, I always try to practice my English. I always try to make video for my audience, for my subscriber. That's why they can learn English frankly and smooth way. And you can write down your thoughts and let me know in my comment section what type of video you want to watch in every single day. I will try to make video, and you know that I'm also beginner, so it nothing to happen anything when you are getting panic. But when you take action positively and you think that yes, I want to do something, I have to do something in my life, when it actually doing something with you. So don't get scared making mistake while creating sentence. It's a part and parcel of our life. I hope you understand and you enjoy the full video. Like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you found this video is helpful for everyone, for every person who are intent to learn English, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing content. And don't forget to share this video to your friend who are so much curious, who are really unstoppable to learn English. I hope you are unique and you will be good something. You will do incredible thing, what you want, where you want to go, and you should do for your life or your family. Love you everyone, and that's all from me in today's video. Be bold, be the best version of yourself in 2025, and it's the actual time to do something to show actually your skill, your intention, your curiousness. Seemingly, I would like to say you that don't get scared while making mistake. Mistake is a part of every human life, and someone criticize about you, someone laugh at your journey, laugh at your exercise, laugh at your activity. So it doesn't matter. That is the matter is that you are consistent like me. Even in today's video, when you watch the video fully, you get a lots of mistake. You see, you notice a lots of mistake to create sentence. But after that, why I never stop my journey? Why? Is because I think that mistake and fear, it's a part and parcel, and it's the inevitable part of every human life. And right now, if you see that Mark Zuckerberg, he can also make mistake. Like Elon Musk, he also make mistake. So there is no any get shame part of our life making a mistake. It's a very common part. So get up from your bed, get up from this time and walk up. Don't let down. Don't get procrastination. Don't go with anxiety. Rather start out and go through with your intention, with your passion, and intuitively start your journey. Not just randomly you start your journey and one day you will get success. No. Success is a reward. It's not that you one day you will get. Obviously you get one day, but you don't know in which time, in which month, in which year you actually get this success. No. You have to build this. You have to take a decision wisely. And after taking this decision, you are just getting your success gradually. Even I always think that in every single day, when I practice my English, when I speak in English, I just think that in every single day is a success for me. In every single minute is a opportunity for me to speak my English, to practice my English, to study. And you know that I am also a student. I have a lots of tasks. But after that, I always try to make video. Why? It's because I want to do something new. I would like share something new to my audience, to my subscriber. Even I don't focus in my I think in my subscriber word. Like I never can count that how many subscriber I gain, how many likes I gain in every single video. I never look at this. Why? Because my focus is always I practice my English and I would like to share something that actually help in my audience, that actually help in my subscriber to create new something, to practice their English with their self, right? So if I mistake anything to create more sentence, please apologize and please notice my mistake and comment in my comment section that you are really genius and your motivation, your intention is like super. So we are also standing with you and we can speak in English with together, right? So love you everyone. That's all from me and be bold, be the best version of yourself. Love you everyone.